For this last example, we're gonna get a little bit hardcore. Well, we're gonna go a little bit hardcore and do some operations with two negative numbers, okay? So, I wanna add a minus 25 plus a minus 20, okay? And this, by a simple, it was just like checking it, it should be like a minus 45, okay? So that here it is, and it's a minus 45. So, what do I do now? 25, I know that is this number in binary. Do the math, I have already prepared them, okay? And this is a 25. And a 20 is this number. It's basically the same thing, okay? So, we check that for converting to 2's complement, we should change zeros for ones and then add one. But hey, there's a faster way to do that, okay? And it's not by memorizing them. So, if you have this number and you want to change it into 2's complement, I'm going to write a C2. It's very easy, okay? You're going to write exactly the same number, okay? And you're going to add two zeros prior to it, okay? Zeros to the left are worth nothing, but they're going to help us to work with, okay? Now, what I'm going to do, then I'm going to start to read everything from right to left, okay? I'm going to leave the first one as it is. I'm gonna leave everything as it is until I find the first one, and then I'm gonna change zeros for ones and ones for zeros, okay? So that is just like writing 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, okay? And this is actually a minus 25. I'm gonna do exactly the same thing, but for the other number that's minus 20. I'm gonna do the 2's complement for minus 20, and that would be, well, let me write that number. That is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. I'm gonna add two zeros prior to it, okay? And once again, I'm gonna start to read from right to left. I'm gonna leave everything as it is until I find the first one. I'm gonna write it down, and then once again, I'm gonna change zeros for ones and ones for zeros. So here it's a 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so this thing actually it's a minus 20. Okay, now I'm gonna add them. The minus 25 and minus 20. Both of them are gonna be in 2's complement. Let me try trace a line, and I'll start working here. And it would be like 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and I don't know, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so this, I'm gonna add them. Remember, I'm adding two negative numbers, and I'll use another color just to be clear, and I just need to add them. Okay, so 1 plus 0, it's gonna be a 1, 1, 0, and I carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, plus 0 is 0, and I carry a 1. 0 plus 1, it's 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, and I carry 1. 1 plus 1, it's 1 plus 1 is 0, plus 1 is 1, and I carry 1, and I just write it here. Okay? I know this thing can be a little bit confusing, but this number over here, it's a negative 45. Okay? If you want to know that that number is actually okay, you know that that number is going to be negative. Okay? So if you want to know that this thing it's okay, you need to convert it once again to 2's complement. Okay, so just to check this, okay? Let's go. Just valid to check if what you've done is correct. So I'm gonna leave everything as it is until I find the first one, and then I'm gonna change zeros for ones, and that is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, and this number actually is a 45.